salmon cubes here that I've chopped up, marinated in just a little bit of garlic powder, salt and pepper. I'm going to drop it into an egg wash, corn flour, and then my panko breadcrumbs. Okay, I think that's not too overcrowded. The air fryer has been preheated to 200 degrees. I am now going to put it in. So in they go. Air frying, we're going to try 200 degrees for 10 minutes. See how that goes. Shouldn't take too long for salmon. Okay, they're looking pretty nice. Gonna turn them over and then maybe spray it a little bit on the other side and then put it back in for the next few minutes. Okay. Oh, they look nice. Okay, they look good. I'm impressed. Okay, that is perfectly cooked. It should still be juicy, not dry on the inside. Outside looks pretty crisp, so I'm going to just take these out and dish them up and show you again. Okay, look at that, pretty crisp, if you ask me, pretty perfect, golden brown. Take this tiny piece here. It's good, it's really good, it's really crispy. I mean, you can see it. You can see it, the juice there. It's still really juicy, really moist, and it's crispy. So it's like fish fingers, my kids, but homemade with salmon. Beautiful. I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna try it, dipping it in this black pepper sriracha that I bought yesterday. Also look for a bit of spicy ketchup. This one I got from the Turkish shop, another favourite of mine. But yeah, I'm gonna give these to the kids now and see what they think. Hope you try the recipe out. Thank you for watching.